At the time I was introduced to Ridgeline, I was not intending to make a change at all. I'm a doer. There's no question about it. I'm a calendar person. I love projects. I like to be on a mission. We were with our previous provider for over 30 years, and the product was okay.
The 6 or 7 different systems that had to talk to each other, it was becoming stagnant. The upgrades weren't there.
Even some of the upgrades, we lost features that we were using before, so I don't know how they define upgrade.
Ridgeline knew what customers wanted in a product, and they knew what worked and what didn't. They started talking about this idea of single source data.
Sounded good. It was like, oh, here's another one, here's another demo. And we all left there like, wow, this is almost too good to be true. It was just everything that we've been wanting in our legacy system coming to life.
But when I'm thinking of 30 years worth of data and what that really looks like, I just never thought that a transition would ever work.
It's difficult to do mechanical work on a plane while it's in the air. The coordination between all of the various custodians, the coordination with brokers, all of that has to go flawlessly.
All of our numbers since inception had to be reconciled to the penny. Ridgeline knew what challenges I would face in a transition and why I would be concerned about it. I knew if we made this decision to go forward, that Ridgeline was going to have my back. They were not going to let us fail in this transition.
Once we realized this is the software that we wanted to use, and once we realized how much value it was going to add, we didn't see the point in waiting another 12 or 18 months to implement this.
I jumped in 2 feet. I have to say it went smoother than I expected it to. Did we have a few bumps? Yes, of course we did, but nothing like I thought that we would. Really, when you broke it down into pieces, it was very manageable. We noticed benefit right away from day one. We're no longer importing and exporting. That's completely removed from our processes. Now it's real-time data for the entire firm. Even our portfolio managers are excited about it, and I never thought that that would happen.
After we finished the implementation, Ridgeline told us that we were the fastest firm that had ever gone through the whole process, which kind of surprised us because we didn't really think that we were racing that quickly.
And I was very comfortable at the speed in which I was going. In record time of 6 months, I suppose you could say this was maybe a risky move, but it really wasn't.
It's a lot of work, but pay now or pay later, I'd rather pay now.
We made this huge change for our firm, and I never expected to be sitting here today. For me to make a change like this, I knew I had to think forward. Ridgeline is truly technology that will take us into the future.